Download the Detect app, plug in the Detect hub, prepare a flat surface, and wash your hands. Open your Detect COVID-19 test. Take out the Prepare pack and set the cardboard divider on a flat surface. Open the Prepare pack, remove its contents, and set aside the pouch labeled Detect cap. Carefully open the test tube and place it in the cardboard divider. Open the swab without touching the soft tip. Insert the swab in one nostril just until the soft tip is completely inside. Swab the inside wall of the nostril in a circle 5 times, keeping the swab tip in contact with the nostril wall. Repeat with the other nostril. Insert the swab into the test tube, making sure the soft tip is fully submerged in liquid. Hold the test tube to keep it steady and vigorously stir the swab for 15 seconds. Discard the swab when you're done. Open the Detect cap pouch. Carefully remove the cap, which contains a small reagent bead. Tightly screw the Detect cap onto the test tube. Hold the test tube by the cap and turn it upside down. Firmly shake the tube side to side for 10 seconds. Turn the tube right side up. Forcefully bring down your arm to collect all the liquid at the bottom of the test tube. No liquid should remain at the top of the tube. Place the test tube into the well of the Detect hub. The Detect hub will beep once and the green light will start blinking. Set a timer for 55 minutes so your sample can process. When it's complete, the green light will stop blinking. Once your sample has processed, open the result pack. Take out the reader and remove the dropper from its pouch. Pick up the dropper by its tip and flick it downward to collect all of the liquid at the bottom. Carefully twist off the tip. Insert the dropper tip first into the reader chimney. Squeeze the dropper to dispense the liquid, then discard the dropper. Remove the test tube from the Detect hub once the processing step is complete. Place the tube into the reader chimney, pressing down firmly with both thumbs. You may hear a pop as the reader pierces the tube. Watch for liquid to flow through the reader. If you don't see liquid flow within 10 seconds, firmly tap the reader against a hard surface 3 times. Results will be ready in 10 minutes. Set a timer. After 10 minutes, red lines will appear in the reader window. Lines may be faint. This is normal. Use the Detect app to understand your test results.